Alright, so I'm on Yelp, right? Looking at my competitors' reviews and stuff, and I'm reading through the reviews, and I'm thinking, holy shit, I feel bad for these shops that people are making reviews, because people only make reviews whenever they have a bad experience. Maybe if they're right in front of you and you say like, hey, leave me a review, they might do it. If they do it, they're gonna do it right then and there. But if not, they chances are if they say, oh yeah, I'll do it later, they're not going to. Anyways, I'm reading through these reviews and I'm thinking to myself, what in the fuck is wrong with these people? So some of the reviews. Let me go. I'm gonna read through them. This person, I'm not gonna name the shop or the name of the person. I'm just gonna say the reviews. Don't break my dash. Don't break my fog light switches. They might have reinstalled my glove box when they were done. And why does my door ding all the time now? Do not use these people. They will tell you to just disconnect the battery. What the fuck? I'm sure I'm overreacting because I'm pissed off. I trusted they would take care of my vehicle. Okay, now my response. Okay, dude. They definitely did not break your dash, your fog light switches. And okay, maybe they could have reinstalled your glove box. Your door dings because your door is open to your vehicle. That's why. And I only know this because this person posted a video of this. That's why I'm saying all this. Anyways, people just like people have all these problems with their shitty ass vehicle, and then when they bring it to a shop and one item gets fixed, now the noise or whatever happens sounds completely different because one of the issues is fixed, right? So now they say, oh, well, the mechanic did this and this and this. No, the mechanic didn't do shit except for fix your shitty ass vehicle that has many problems. He fixed one of them. It's not like he just decided to inject issues into your car. I mean, I guess there's probably some mechanics out there that do that, but very little percentage of them. Anyways, let me continue. Let's see. So I've just scrolled. I'm only reading 3 reviews total, and I've scrolled through 5 of them, and 3 of them are 1 star. That's crazy because I know 60% of the people that walk into this place do not receive 1 star service, and I've never even been to the place. I can just tell you that because they're opened as a business. Let's see. This next person, we took our vehicle in with a check engine light, $800. Later, a small system leak was allegedly repaired with assurances of a warranty. Less than a week later, the check engine light returned with the same error code. They want $700 to repair what they missed the first time. Okay, so you're complaining that you're paying for a diagnostic charge, about paying for a diagnostic charge, and then you're complaining that they apparently didn't fix the issue. I'm sure they fixed the issue, but it was another issue that popped up or something. This place is a well known shop. They're not gonna just these reviews are ridiculous. Anyways, oh wait. Here, I'm on my 6th one, and here's a 2-star. This establishment is a far cry from what it once was. This service provided falls short of its previous standards. I caution any lone female or male patronage, especially if they're not accompanied by a trusted friend with some knowledge of auto mechanics. Okay, let me pause right here. If you find a mechanic that you like, stick with him. If you trust him and he treats you fair, stick with him. Don't just go, oh, he's too expensive, I gotta find somebody else, because you're gonna run into these problems, because I guarantee you all of these people were the type of customer that said, oh, well, why is that so much? I can get it cheaper. Go get it cheaper then, and then bitch about it. Anyways, back to the review. Let me delve into this one specific issue from my recent visit. Requested a tire rotation, but unfortunately they failed to balance them properly. Did they, or did you also need an alignment, or did you also need tie rod, or shocks, or ball joint control? Like, there's so many things to a suspension. Like, just because your tires are balanced does not mean your car is going to ride perfectly smooth now. There's multiple things that need to happen. Anyways, let me continue. I called them asking what happened after a complaint from the vehicle's owner. Well, don't know what that means. I took a test drive, so see what the complaining was about. I know now. Take it any other shop, they would know that tire rotation is dismounted the tire, check the air pressure, balance the tire, remount the tire in the custom pattern with as all four-wheel drive, or say they don't provide that service. Despite claiming to have completed the job, it's evident they didn't deliver what I expected. I paid the bill and left. What you expected or what you pay for, because those are two different things, because people love to pay for something and expect that it, oh, well, I paid $1,000 for these brakes. Why is my engine still shaking? Well, yeah, you paid $1,000 for brakes. Just brakes. That doesn't mean, just because you think that $1,000 is a lot in your world, it's not in the car repair. Alright, here's another one. I've been in and out of the Fort Worth area regularly past blah 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 blah. Typically I do my own auto maintenance and repairs, but due to time constraints, I trusted this shop to change all fluids and change the spark plugs. After $2,600, I noticed a way on my home. Okay, time out. If you work on your own vehicle, then yes, $2,600 is a very expensive repair because you are only used to paying for parts. That's about half of the cost. Half. So, and you didn't put what type of car you're driving. If it was a Honda Civic from 1990, yes, $2,600 is a lot. If it's a Hellcat from 2020, then that's not. That's actually a cheap price. So it depends what vehicle you have, first of all. And you didn't even put that. So I have a feeling it's probably an expensive vehicle, but whatever. You spent $2,600, so you think the mechanic owns your car. No, they don't. God, I really feel for all these businesses that have all these one-star reviews, because I know the type of people that are leaving these reviews, and I'm thankful that I haven't had any. But thank God that every single one of my customers have been amazing. But I feel like it took me a second to get to this point, because trust me, in the past I've had some stories, and yeah, I just feel bad. Anytime I see a bad review, I don't even think it's bad anymore, because I think it's just somebody making something up, trying to get something for free. Like, really. Anyways, there's just a ton of 1 stars on here. Oh, I went to this and I heard a noise after. Like I said before, you heard a noise because you heard 15 noises, and now that 14 noises are there, it sounds different than when 15 noises are. So, guys, people. Okay, let me say this: 1% of mechanics probably will mess your car up so they can have more work, but that's a very, very small percentage of us. Like, these 1 star reviews are not, like, no. If look, this place has, I see more 1 and 2 stars than 5-star reviews, and if that was the case, they would not be in business at all. They wouldn't have been in business for years and years. And no matter what, if you go to a shop, a dealership, a mobile mechanic, whatever, no matter what the business is, actually, you're gonna find these people that just want to bitch, so they can be heard, so they can get something for free. And man, it's so annoying. And like, as I get older and older, and as I work more and more for myself, I just realize, like, reviews should review the business. Not everybody gets a 5-star. Just everybody put 5-star, everybody 5-star, and then it's either everybody puts a 5-star or the people who are pissed put 1 star. It's like, businesses do give 3 and 4 star service all the time, but it's like when you get okay, even me, I'm guilty of it. Whenever I got a 4 star, I've gotten a couple 4 star reviews, and I'm like, what the fuck did I do wrong? But it's like 4 stars is still really good. Like, not now when you're looking at reviews and stuff online, if they don't have a 5.0, you're probably not gonna go with them. Like, I have a 4.9, and you know how many times that like they don't respond to me just because the next person is a 5.0. Like, the dude could be brand new. Like, anyways, I'm done ranting for right now. This is way longer than any video I've ever made. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe for some more rants, some Rex Torque videos, and some educational videos, some how-to videos, really anything automotive. Thank you for watching. Leave some comments below too.